And now, Jieshuo, aka Commentary Screen Reader, CSR, or if you're me, the Confused Screen Reader. This is a segment dedicated to this great popular screen reader where we show you some new feature or some feature that we believe you should be in the know of. And now, for this episode, here's your entry for Jieshuo, aka Commentary Screen Reader.
And now we move on to our commentary screen reader segment, which will close this episode. And Karene demonstrates the various OCR functions and settings available in Jieshuo.
Hi. Jieshuo Screen Reader uses OCR to recognize text of the current focus, the entire screen, for subtitle recognition, and to detect text in unlabeled elements. All of the OCR-related functions are paid, so you have to be a Jieshuo Premium subscriber to use any of them. There are more than one supported OCR engine. One of them is offline. To recognize text of the current focus, you use the function called
recognize text of the current focused element.
Recognize the text of the current focused element. It's a function, so you can activate it from the main menu, you can assign a gesture to it, and you can activate it using the voice assistant. Also, you can recognize the text of the current focus by using OCR and translation navigation type or granularity. I will not discuss how to add this navigation type to the navigation types because this was discussed before when I was talking about the navigation styles. But the gesture that you use to move to the next item in the specified type is used to translate the current focus, and the gesture which is used to move to the previous item in the specified type is used to perform OCR. As an example, I'm using the global alternative navigation too. Swiping down is to move to the next item in the specified type. Swiping up for the previous, and swiping down then up or up then down is to move between navigation types. So when I select OCR and translation, I swipe down to translate, I swipe up to perform OCR. In the recognition menu, there is a function called text recognition. This function used to detect text and then translated to the target language that you specify in Jieshuo translation settings. But right now, it's only performing OCR on the current focus.
Main menu. Recognize text on the current screen.
This function is to recognize text on the current screen. So the difference is that this one doesn't work only on the current focus, it works on the entire screen. It's also a function, so it's found in the main menu. You can activate it via the voice assistant, and it can be assigned to a gesture. Another function is the virtual screen, which is an attempt by the Jieshuo developer to make certain screens accessible, certain inaccessible screens accessible. It could help in focusing items that are normally not focused by the screen reader. Also, it can help in reading certain information. Another function is the recognize subtitles. It's for videos that have subtitles. The idea is to perform continuous recognition on a certain portion of the screen. It's a specified portion by the user. This is the idea of this function. Now let's see the available OCR settings.
Main menu.
I'll open the screen reader settings.
Screen reader settings. Jieshuo Plus.
Then advanced settings.
Advanced settings. Advanced settings.
Then OCR settings.
OCR settings. OCR settings.
The first item is for partially cited.
Use a dark background for the virtual screen checked.
This is to specify if I want a dark background for displayed recognized text when I use the virtual screen or the entire screen recognition.
Automatically read the recognized text when using the virtual screen or the current screen recognition, unchecked.
This is to specify if I want the results to be read automatically when I use the virtual screen or their entire screen recognition. If I'm recognizing the current focus, the results will be always announced automatically.
Automatically use OCR unchecked controls whether the OCR engine is used when an unlabeled item, a picture or any other inaccessible control is touched. Please note that while this function is enabled, more data and power will be consumed.
This tries to perform OCR on any unlabeled element it focuses. So when Jieshuo focuses an unlabeled element, it performs OCR on this element to try to detect any text.
Auto image description check.
This also works on unlabeled elements, but the difference is that this one doesn't use the OCR engine. It uses the AI model, and currently Jieshuo uses the Blue Heart AI model, the Vivo Blue Heart AI model. So the point is that whenever Jieshuo finds an unlabeled element, it tries to describe it using the AI service.
OCR engine offline OCR.
OCR engine, here you can specify the OCR engine that will be used for all OCR related functions.
OCR engine. Tencent Cloud powered by the Accessibility Association, uncheck.
This is the default one. It's an online engine, Tencent Cloud. It supports many languages. However, it's not good as OCR of InVision or ChatGPT or Seeing AI. It gets the job done, but it's not that accurate.
Vivo uncheck.
Vivo has been added recently. I think that it's less reliable and it supports much less languages. It supports English.
Use the custom Beidou OCR API data uncheck.
Beidou OCR, but you have to provide the necessary data like the key, the password, and all of the other necessary data to use the Beidou OCR engine.
Custom OCR extensions unchecked.
Custom OCR extension, you create your own extensions to use any custom OCR engine that you want.
Offline OCR checked.
Offline OCR. This is the offline OCR. It supports several languages. It's faster than the online one, and it should be considered more private.
Cancel button. OCR
Let's
settings.
go back.
OCR language, offline OCR, mixed Chinese and English.
You can specify the language, whether you are using the Tencent Cloud or the offline engine. Let's see what are the languages included in the offline engine. You should note that the offline engine is not available in the light version, so it's only in the Jieshuo Plus.
OCR language. OCR English unchecked. Mixed Chinese and English unchecked. Japanese unchecked. Korean unchecked. Russian unchecked. German unchecked. French unchecked. Italian unchecked. Portuguese unchecked. Spanish unchecked. Cancel button. OCR settings.
These are the available languages.
Filter keywords while recognizing subtitles allows to replace common OCR errors with correct words, supporting Java regular expressions.
This is related to misidentified texts. You can create replacements here.
Subtitle recognition default portrait mode, ask every time. Subtitle recognition default landscape mode, ask every time.
This is related to the subtitle recognition. You can specify here the portion of the screen that should be recognized when you are using portrait or landscape modes.
Beidou OCR allows to set custom settings related to the Beidou OCR engine. This option works only when Beidou is selected as the OCR engine.
When you select Beidou engine, you fill in the data related to the engine here.
Edit custom OCR extensions.
Edit custom OCR extensions. This is related to creating your custom OCR extensions.
OCR settings. Advanced step.
I will open WhatsApp now.
WhatsApp. Application icon. View photo button.
And I'll open a photo.
WhatsApp.
I won't focus anything because the image itself can't be focused using the screen reader. So because nothing is focused, if I perform the OCR current focus, it will recognize the text of the entire screen.
OCR and translation.
I selected OCR and translation as the navigation type, and now I'll swipe up.
Recognition 2340L. Marwan Wayne September 11 14 04 11 56. Transaction ID 46 million won amount. 25 USD depositor name. Karen Kiwan reply. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Home screen 2 of 2. WhatsApp. Telegram. Chrome. Chrome. Started by David Goldfield. Save 85. Deck 4. Save 85% on popular audible audiobooks and store your first 3 months for $1 link.
This is the item. It's a link.
Main menu. Screen. Direct click. Recognize text of the current focused element.
I'll use the function now.
Save 85% on popular audible audiobooks and store your first 3 months for $1.
Not bad. Now I will open Telegram.
WhatsApp. Telegram. Application icon. Main menu. Screen. Recognize text on the current screen.
I'll use recognize text on the current screen.
Recognition in progress. Recognition results. Recognition results.
It opens a new window containing the results.
2341L. Telegram. A staff. Amir, thanks. 1339. 2326. AC. Accessible Android chat. Jieshuo, you're welcome. 13. Die. Jieshuo screen reader. Office 3 full stop X 2159. Salah, yes, how does it work with the N3 full stop?
This is the Jieshuo official group, official chat group, the English group. If I double tap,
Master B, PPK file link manager. Jieshuo screen reader. Official chat group. Muted 1700. Emoji, stickers, and GIF button.
it will open the item, which is a nice addition to the entire screen recognition because it allows you to activate items from this window.
Home screen 2 of 2.
The last thing is just a test of the auto image description, which is, as I said before, not using the OCR engine, it's using the AI engine.
Left right stereo test. Left right stereo test. Love button. Start button. Love button. The image shows a heart symbol and the number 53 with a green box in the background. Repeat button. The image shows the number 19 with a left pointing arrow above the number.
This should work on unlabeled elements that Jieshuo can focus, but if you have manually labeled an element, it will use the label that you specified and it won't try to describe the item for you. Thank you for listening.